globally, business analysis is growing, and more in the UK, more and more. All you need to do is just go on read.com or Indeed or LinkedIn, and you'll see the growing numbers of, BA jobs. I think about 27,000 BA jobs right now in the UK alone, more than any other. It's surpassed project management and roles like that. So it's not a question as to whether it's a growing career. It's a no-brainer. In Canada, hiring BA is like water. It's an absolutely growing area. We all know that. Almost every organization that's going through business change requires business analysis skills. Whether they are called business analysts or not, those skills are required. So it's an absolutely critical skill. Now, in Nigeria, what I found, or what I'm noticing, is a lot of people, a lot of organizations are hiring product managers because they're building a lot of digital products, whether they're startups or established organizations. A lot of products have been built.
Tolu is BCS certified trainer that trains business analysts for those thinking of going to the United Kingdom and relocating.
I'm a trainer of business and technology, and I'm a career coach. My life has always revolved around helping people get into digital career.
Said I dragged Tolu out of the UK. He has accepted business class, by the way. So he's going to be in Nigeria. And we have a class scheduled, a live class, a whole day. We're going to be taking you through the business analysis experience. Listen, this is a one-time offer only. The class that Tolu and I did for our cohorts that participated and got certified was 200,000. This is a one-time offer only because it's an immersive experience, one day session for 6 hours. So sign up today.
So all the tools and techniques that are absolutely critical for business analysts, from sort of user journey mapping, design thinking, process modeling, requirements engineering, and making sure that people can take away something of significant value. I want you to be able to leave that day feeling like you can apply for a job as a business analyst or product manager from that point. I will see you in Lagos. Here's what I want to say to anybody asking, are they hiring business analysts in Nigeria? Well, here's the answer. In Nigeria, what we are seeing is the growth, an exponential growth in the number of product managers that are being hired. But when you look at the skills that a product manager has and the skills that business analysts have, they're almost, you can literally superimpose them, almost exactly the same set of skills that a product manager has, a business analyst has, because at the end of the day, as business analysts, we are going to help an organization deliver a product, a solution, one way or the other. So it was good to see the growth. So it's not just about, oh, I have the knowledge. It's not just about I have the skills, but I've got the tenacity, behaviors, the ability to learn new skills to be able to impact this knowledge to other people.
What has been your experience on the Learntor cohort program, where you have trained cohort 2, 3, and 4, and not just trained cohort 2, 3, and 4, you have developed trainers within the cohort. I'd like you to speak now.
One of the things that I really loved about the cohort is that people are committed. Sometimes I feel sorry for them. At 10 o'clock, you guys are still having Scrum sessions. But the fact that people are joining on Saturdays and sometimes even Sundays, late into the evenings and into the nights, I really appreciated the commitment. And I've formed a number of good, deep relationships within the Learntor community. And in fact, I got one of my team from the Learntor community.